You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this medication, this confusing name. The brand name is pronounced as Differin. Differin. The pronunciation of the molecule name itself, the medication, adapelene. Adapelene. The stress is on the second syllable, the da syllable, adapelene. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.